What's up, Porsche fans? It's DelMazzio from Porsche Greenwich. It's been far too long, but here we are. I have a quick video for you. If you happen to have a 2024 or 2025 Cayenne, here are the top 8 things I think you should look into potentially changing or adjusting to your needs. Let's jump right into it. All right, here we go. We're going to give you tip number 1 and 2. So if you would like your side mirrors to fold in when the vehicle locks, go to Settings, go to Vehicle, scroll down until you see Vehicle Locking Systems, and you can check the box that says Fold Exterior Mirrors when locking. So that's number 1. Number 2, would you like your doors to, all of your doors to unlock when you approach the vehicle? Would you only like the driver's door to unlock for safety? Or would you like one side of the car to unlock upon approach? Well, there you go. There is tip number 1 and 2. Tip number 3. What does this diamond key do? What could I program that to? Well, this can do one special function in the vehicle. Let me show you where to change it, and let me give you some feedback on what our customers seem to like. Go to Settings. Go down to Vehicle again. Go to Steering Wheel Quick Access button, and here are the available options that you can choose. I will say that most of my customers are not looking to start, stop, sport chrono. They are usually looking to either change the source, meaning like AM, FM, satellite radio. Another popular option is to turn off start, stop. The other option is to parking, show surroundings. So simply press the button, and there you go. So if you want to just see what's around you, that's one of the many options you can program the diamond key to do. All right, tip number 4. Does your vehicle have ambient lighting on the upper console and on the side? Do you want to change the color from the lemon green or the orange that your car might be currently equipped with? Well, here you go. Here's how you do it. Go to Vehicle. Go to Comfort. Go to Ambient Lighting. And this is where you can change the color of the lighting. There's even a dynamic one, which is pretty cool. All right, we're moving right along. Here we go. Tip number 5. You have an Apple phone or you have an Android phone. Most likely you don't have both, so why should you stare at both icons here? Did you know you can rearrange these icons just like you can on your phone? Simply press the gear icon all the way to the right. Adjust sorting. And let's get rid of Android Auto since I have an Apple device. And you can arrange everything else. There you go. That was tip number 5. Tip number 6 is very similar to tip number 5. It has to do with adjusting the sorting of the sources. So we have FM, satellite radio, podcast, Spotify, and then your music, your Apple Music. Well, what if you want to see AM radio? Well, you have to click the little dots here and you just scroll down. Well, how about you click rearrange, and now you can simply move everything to your desired places. Move your favorites all the way up to the top. Confirm. There you go. So now we've just rearranged the sources. All right, for those of you who have made it this far, tip 7 is probably my most popular setting that I show customers on what they can do with their new Cayenne. So if you've had a Cayenne for a little bit, you may have gotten the wonderful little bing, little notifications that tell you your map has been updated or something's been updated, things that you don't really need to be notified, and sometimes it creates like a little bit of an alarming sound, right? So why not turn that off? Go to Notifications, click the gear icon at the bottom, go to Notification Center, uncheck the box for notification sound. So now when your PCM gets a map update, or if you have some sort of a Sirius XM update, there's no need for you to have an alarm just popping up on the screen and alerting you. You will still see the little notification at the bottom, but it will no longer chime. There you go. Thank you very much. That was number 7. All right, our final tip has to do with the tailgate. Did you know that you can program your tailgate to any height that you wish? Let's say you have a low garage like I do. Well, you can move tailgate up or down to your desired liking. Press and hold this button until you hear. There you go. Now the tailgate will only open to that height. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Give a thumbs up if you like this, if this was helpful. Also, if you know of any other tips that you find helpful in your 2024 or 2025 Cayenne, leave a comment down below and I'd love to add your tips to maybe my next video. So thanks for watching. Once again, it's DelMazzio from Porsche Greenwich, and be sure to drive safe and enjoy your Porsche.